In today's video, I'm going to teach you using the Supabase dashboard table editor. We'll walk through creating a table in Supabase using the table editor, a beginner-friendly way to get started without writing SQL. First, sign into your Supabase project and open it from your dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and open the table editor. This is the visual workspace where you'll create and manage your database tables, and it's perfect if you prefer clicking through options rather than typing queries. Next, click the New Table button. This opens a form that guides you through setting up your table. Start by giving your table a clear, descriptive name. Stick to snake case or lowercase with underscores, like user profiles or order items. Avoid spaces and special characters. This keeps your table easy to reference in code and consistent with common database conventions. Now it's time to add columns. Each column represents a piece of data you want to store for each row in the table. For each column, provide a name and choose a data type. Pick text for strings like names or descriptions, integer for whole numbers like quantities, and UUID if you want unique identifiers commonly used as IDs. You can also choose types like Boolean for true or false values, and timestamp for dates and times. Think about the kind of data you're capturing and pick the type that best fits to keep your data clean and reliable. After your columns are defined, set up constraints. Constraints are rules that the database uses to protect your data's integrity. The most common one you'll use here is the primary key. A primary key uniquely identifies each row in the table, preventing duplicates in that key column. Many tables use an ID column for this purpose, often with a UUID type, but choose whatever matches your design. You can also mark certain columns as required if they must always have a value, but focus on the primary key for now as your essential constraint. Once your columns and constraints look good, click Save to create the table. Supabase will generate and run the SQL for you behind the scenes, so you don't have to write any queries. After saving, you can immediately view your new table in the editor, add sample rows, or come back later to adjust columns as your needs evolve. That's it. Using the table editor is a smooth, approachable way to build your schema, especially if you're not comfortable writing SQL yet.